Alright boys, so that's the last review for now. I've got, I need to order some more Chinese stuff because I'm China addicted. But that's what I've got. That was, came to me straight from friggin' China. Costed me like £3 maybe. Cheap, and of course it's working properly if I need. Let's see. There was even battery inside, you know. So that's friggin' awesome. Got even friggin' LEDs. You can check. Got everything what you need actually. You've got volts, watts, friggin' ohms. You've got NPN, PNP, blah blah blah, all that stuff. So yeah, how is it possible to produce something like this? It's for that kind of money, you know. It's called Decton. It's friggin' decked big time, you know. But the name is decked. Digital multimeter code number, blah blah. So, working with live wires is dangerous. This product is only to be used by a qualified electrician. Yeah, qualified electrician like me. Actually, I'm a technician, but the thing is, everybody can buy it, not just qualified friggin' electrician. Read and understand all instructions before use. Keep instructions for future use. Holy, that's explaining your introduction, features, blah blah blah. Technical specifications. AC voltage, resistance, temperature, DC current, DC voltage, transistor, HFE, diode, and audible continuous, blah blah, sine wave output, battery tests, operation, connect red test lead, blah blah blah, resistance measurement, temperature measurement, transistor, HFE measurement, diode, 50 Hz sine wave output, blah blah blah. So actually it's a good instruction because it's showing you what to do or what to connect and all that stuff. So if you're completely green, or you'll say you're a rookie in using that, you know, then with that instruction you should be able to use it properly, you know. So I think that's not too bad. It's not too bad. So it's another one, Chinese item, and the thing is, it's working, and it's working awesome for that kind of price. So highly recommend it if somebody looking for something cheap, you know. Take care, boys, and thanks for watching. And thumbs up, of course. Bye.